What is up, babes? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the fun. It's just getting started. Grab some brushes, grab a nice little drink to sip on, and follow along with this video because it's gonna be so much fun. We're gonna create this beautiful look, whether you want to use it for date night, out with the girls, you know, you can use it for anything. You want to take your dog on a walk, honey? Throw this glam on, okay? So for brows today, I'm going to be using my Anastasia brows along with my favorite brow freeze. I know you guys have probably seen it all over Instagram. I'm going to show you guys how it works. I'm just going to be filling in any gaps up here. And I like to draw a nice arch and then connect it to the tail of the brow. And just fill in these front parts. So when I'm filling in these hairs, I want to mimic and create the appearance of hairs. So what I do is if my hair is growing upwards here, I'm gonna be drawing upward as well, just because that will make it look really natural and just like a real brow. Take my brow freeze and I'm just gonna dip in the spoolie, literally just going upward with the front. This is gonna create a very nice lifted full brow. If you have very thin brows, you should definitely try this product out because I feel like it just spreads all the hairs out and it creates just like a fuller, nicer brow. And who doesn't want that? Also guys, your girl is going through a little sunburn moment at the forehead. Don't judge. Remember, this is a no judgment zone. We're just here to have fun, create some looks, and you know, just talk about makeup. Alright babes, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start concealing our brow. We're gonna start carving out a nice shape. And this concealer is by Tarte, Ultra Creamy, and it's also gonna act as a base for our eyeshadow. I don't use any other primers or anything. I just love how this one just lays on the eye and how the shadows just grab onto it. And I just like to bring my concealer a little bit more out because you want to make sure you are applying this base anywhere, literally anywhere that you're gonna put eyeshadow. So next I'm going to be taking my Morphe M335. I know they actually discontinued this brush, you guys. I'm so sorry. I always recommend it to people because I love it and I've had it since I started doing makeup. But I'm pretty sure you can find, like, you know, it's one of the brushes that you can just find something similar to and it'll work perfectly fine. And I'm just kind of packing it in. I'm trying not to move that concealer around too much because once you move it around too much, it's pretty much disappearing. So you want to just kind of pat it into place. How are you guys doing? Are y'all keeping up? Are you following along with me? I want to see you guys recreate these looks too. So I want you to tag me. I want you to send them over to me. I want to repost them. The eyeshadow palette we're going to be using today for this sultry, sexy midnight look is going to be my Scott Barnes palette. We love some Scott Barnes in this house, okay? We're gonna use mostly like the matte shades here. This one's called Woody, Foxy, Femme, Sin, Nightcap. Like those are all such pretty colors that we can build up, get a nice dimensional look. So let's get into this. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M535 brush and I'm just gonna dip in to this beautiful Foxy color right here. I'm gonna take this all along the crease. And I'm still using that same shade. And right here towards the nose, I'm kind of going to use it to start contouring the sides of the nose right here. So you see how it created that nice shadow? That's what we're going to do on this side as well. So now I'm going to be taking the shade Sin and I'm going to start smoking it out. Try to use a smaller brush. This one is the Sigma Small Tapered Blending. And what I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to start putting it like near the outer part of my eye. And I'm going to start just creating a nice wing with it. So let's just start out here. And again, I'm just kind of laying the product down and then smoking it out. Using the same concealer brush from earlier, I'm actually gonna do something where I kind of cut the inner part of the crease, like, you know, where we put the brighter shade. I'm only gonna cut right in this area, and I'm not gonna take it too far out. I just want that part to be really nice and bright and clean. So let's go ahead and take the shade Angelic from the same Scott Barnes palette, and I'm gonna use more of a smaller brush, especially because I'm gonna be popping this into the inner corner that we just concealed. So let's just pop that in there. I just want to make it a little smokier, a little darker. You're gonna want to keep spraying this on the brush until you get that desired look that you want. Beautiful silver shade, silver screen, and I'm using a smaller brush, and I'm actually gonna keep spraying this so we get a full nice color. Today we're gonna frame the eye with this TooFaced Killer Kajal liner, Intense Black. It's one of my ultimate favorites. I'm just gonna take this along the waterline here. So in order to create a nice lifted eye, what we're gonna do is just, I'm gonna look straight ahead, and I like to look into a mirror, and I like to see where I need the lift to be, because I don't know about you guys, I've done it like with my eyes kind of closed sometimes, and then I open it and I'm like, that is definitely not the direction that I wanted to go in. Okay, so there's my first line. And then I'm just gonna drag this product into the inner portion of my eye, kind of like halfway right here. This front half, I like to keep it as thin as possible. These are literally so cute. Thank you so much for sending me these, Fierce Kate Lash. I'm going to be using the Style Flirt. Look how beautiful and fluffy these are. I will be right back, guys. I'll put them on and then I'll be right back. So I'm gonna go a little fast forward through the makeup process. If you guys want a full breakdown, full details on how I do like the skincare and like complexion, contour, all that good stuff, let me know down below and I'll definitely make a separate video for you guys. So I'm gonna go in with this flat brush and I'm gonna dip into that first color, Foxy, that we were using for the crease, and I'm gonna go right underneath my waterline. Then we're gonna make it even more intense using the color Sin. When I'm doing the lips, I actually love to build up different colors using different lip liners just to give it more of a real plump, realistic type of look. So I'm just gonna take this color BFF by Coulourpop. I'm gonna also grab this MAC color in Oak, and this is what really is about to define my lip. It's gonna give it that nice structure. It's just gonna be very beautiful on the lip. So for the gloss, I'm gonna be using the Kylie Jenner Cosmetics High Gloss in color So Cute. Y'all almost let me forget highlighter. Like for a look like this, like you're going out, you're gonna go on a date, like you're gonna be looking into your lover's eyes, you know? You might want to have a little something there, you know, just so they can catch the light a little bit. But if not, if you're more of like one of these, like you're more of an eye girl, don't do the highlighter. But baby, for the sake of the video, let's throw a little highlighter on there. Just gonna dip it in there like this. This spray is gonna be your best friend. Thank you guys so much. I had such a blast filming this for you. If you want to keep up with my channel and see all the tutorials I post and just all my work, make sure you follow right here, follow my Instagram, and make sure you subscribe because I want